Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to talk about what's stopping you for making lasting change in your life. What's stopping you from doing the things you want to do? Nothing. A lot of times we tend to be our worst enemy. The reason why most people don't live the lives that they want to is because they don't believe in themselves enough. They keep making excuses why they can't do the thing that they want to do. So if you really want to make it and succeed in anything that you're going after, you have to keep working at it. Even when you're not getting results, you still have to work at it, because it's in those times where you're going to learn the most on how things work, you're going to learn just by doing. I could teach you many things in these videos, but the biggest teacher of all is taking action and doing it yourself. So this is just going to be a short video. What you got to do is you just got to get out there. You got to get seen. You got to get heard. You got to show your audience what you're all about. I'm all about success, and I'm about inspiring people to live out their dreams and to never give up, no matter what. And all the people that have ever succeeded in life are those who never gave up. I'll never give up on any of my endeavors. I love going after my endeavors. But what's going to happen is, eventually, if you just keep working at it and you just keep believing in yourself, then eventually something's going to happen. So that's all I'm going to say in this video, really. Keep working towards your goals. Keep working towards the things that you want to do, and program your mind to believe that anything is possible. One way I do that is by watching motivational videos. All you got to do is just type in motivational videos in the YouTube search engine, and you'll find tons of videos that are going to talk very similar to what I'm saying right here, right now. So that's how I stay motivated. Also, I work and develop my positive mindset. Now, a positive mindset alone is not going to make you succeed, but it's a very good companion along the way. If you develop that mindset, then anything is possible. And our minds are like computers. If you program it in every reason why you can't do the things that you want to do, if you just keep feeding it that negative self-talk, then that's the results you're going to get. If you say, I'm going to succeed, even if I'm not getting results right now, eventually I'm going to succeed no matter what. It's only a matter of time. So that's all I'm going to say in this video, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week coming up. And I also hope you have a great weekend coming up as well, and a great summer. And let's make 2022 a successful year. Bye.